How to search in Roblox Studio in 2025. So first of all, type a name into the search input at the top of the Explorer window to find instances with the name, and use the format property name equal to value to search for instances with a specific property and value. For example, locked equal to true, and then search for instances based on their class, subclass or tags. Search for instances based on their position in the game hierarchy. And search across scripts like click the view tab and search find results, and alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus F and type the word you want to search for, and the search will be performed across all scripts. And in the Creator Store tab, use the filter drop down to select an asset filter category. Use the search bar to find specific assets. You can also filter by creator by entering their username in the search for users field. And you can use codes around a phrase to search for an exact match. Use keywords like new or popular to find recently created or popular games. Combine each parameters for more advanced searches. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.